it's really interesting when you talk about mining and mining relative to nation states. Um, what you like actually observe is that with currencies, right? Nation states kind of want to issue their currencies internally as a mechanism to sort of tax their populations, and ideally they would also like to export them and like have them used in international settlement and trade. That's one of sort of the big advantages that the U.S. has had, is because sort of being that international unit of settlement, when the U.S. government and the Federal Reserve print money, they can effectively like stealth tax the entire world and all reserves that are held worldwide, not just, the savings of the domestic population. But when you get to money and you get to something that's like a harder form of money, you can think of things like BTC as being somewhat analogous to oil. And so from a flow of capital perspective and the strength of a currency perspective, they would almost prefer to have Bitcoin minted in Russia, use that as the exported currency, rather than having to have that foreign exchange market with the rubles when they're cut off. So as long as they can sort of generate it locally and then use it externally, it actually creates a positive
It's similar
outcome.
to selling oil, basically.
It's similar to selling oil.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe that's the idea. It's like, I heard that like Trump wants to have all the Bitcoins mined in America. And I feel like Russia looks like to be on that path too. But I mean, we have a lot of oil, so.
Yeah, no, I mean, Russia, it's been a minute since I've looked at this, but I think Russia is, I mean, it's certainly top 5 in terms of energy production.